Alright, nkwenda kubaramukiyaho in the special way amabara Julius Kyomendo musajja muliso muhaba moli webale muno kuba notuhondera akasumi kanu kenyini webale kuba oli ha Kitara TV hona halo kutuhondera munyamasa zembaganize za bunyoro kagadi kibale kiryandongo masindi Hoima orubuga rwa Hoima kahali ntabalize bulisa kakumiro tukubaramukiyaho kikube muri mutamu gyebale webale kuba oroho akasumi kanu kujukiza kuba no subscribinga o likinga o following hamikutu yaitu yona taiwa kufollowinga personal handles zange Julius Kyomuhendo tujja kuba ntulubata hamu na vibe yona nyina MC Western nonu Ategekere made in Hoima nkazalibwa mu Hoima nkakolebwa Hoima nkukulira hano Hoima ebiro byokwezi biri kibanza biri bitano actually Friday kwija kyakatane kikwija tuli hakafemerano made in Hoima. It's going to be something very big. Abazi nibona abana bo muka hano Hoima bajja kuba ni ba featuringa ebiro byokwezi bitano kyakatano akafemerano. This is season 1 kurugama MC Western tonyagamba kamutoze otunyumya mutubaze mtrole ebintu mulinga Ategekere ekintu mulinga ajja kuba nakijayitisa mulinga ekintu ajja kuba nakirubasa Western sawa bikugenda bigenda fiti South Abuzi ubona kama Uganda ya kuyiriba era mukiyaba kutulondera Kitara TV. Okay, abakuturora ha Kitara TV mwebale ko watchinga mwebale ku subscribinga no kuba wa Kitara TV every time amale ndakabanyeta MC Western made in Hoima. Ekitekezo kino kakiyanka bakuzara Hoima banzara Hoima nka okurora my story is very big eyokuzarwa but nkakulira Hoima but ntazalirwe Hoima okakulira mbukulira bakakuzara bakuleta bandeta so nyakulira Hoima. That's why I said that I'm made in Hoima because kutandika my journey kukura okusoma everywhere story yawe yona ebaire Hoima tinyina any other story bidi nkarugaini nkyali muto so kwegamba that's the story mkulire Hoima hanu Bujumbura ntuzana ha kisaha aho tusamba kapira tugenda ha seminary tusaba so kwegamba I've been around Hoima since my childhood. Hati ekitekezo kinu kya made in Hoima nonkwenda tutandikire henyini what is exactly byokugamba made in Hoima experiences on wanini yebandirize kimu bikibyo Ategekere bikibyo inamu ekitekezo kikaija kita so made in Hoima omanyire nyo nkakora nyenda kuba a present actually nkakura ninyegomba ba presenters nyakiraga kura ba detective Valence so nyakura ninyenda muno kuba presenter but made in Hoima kikaija kita nyamazi kusoma mpikira campus nyaruga Hoima of course nyagenda Kampala but the biggest challenge enyasangire Kampala itabanyoro bakabata kutumanya kitegereza kyanswazaga muno kuikala maybe bakaguza naye goli muki akagamba ndi munyoro mpoza abanyoro bebawa yategereze someone never surprise muno abanyoro nibo bara and I think abanyoro these days they have confused us na abatoro bogamba abanyoro bantu batoro abatora bakiba tulia osho muno mwana and because titurugayo kubaza a few people come out and they are proud of their region and culture but itaba kuba proud of their souls that's why atikandi balibo bakuhika Kampala omanyire cyona byona tubikora bayito mutima gwa Uganda twikirize gutamu Kampala once you make it in Kampala you've done it once you make it in Kampala okikozire yo opportunities zona ziri Kampala buli kimu kione kitu kuenda kuyayana kuba kiri Kampala so the challenge eja abanyoro cyo kuba butukwika mu kibuga mu mutima go ihanga we are not proud of it nyonyi nabanyora bamanyire mbasanga nimbaza nabo kyonkano jya kumana bazo rugana ni muganyo tambalizo rugando kimayindi munyoro kyonka omugamba kimu bibiri nagaruka mu rugana tuli Kampala so that's the biggest challenge ngo cyabanyoro to 2018 abanyoro kandi barungi mu supporting abantu abandi but when it comes to their own ntukiayetinira we are not proud of ourselves so
kandi bali abatoro bakujja mu Kampala bakemera ama TV gaihanga bakakola ki they are proud of their region
abanyankole
that's why ibo kulora bakola bakimaking
western okutekeza nsonga kyabwaka abanyoro baikaire batakwekirizamu batakurugayo like you know na aba proud nti nyo wende munyoro is it nti ebi batu bazawonka abanyoro ebihangale tuli tusuwaza kinsonga ki
I think kiri mu bantu botayikiririzamu bonka abanyoro ngo abanyoro titukwikiririzamu ngo mwana munyoro bakutandika kuzina nogamba oguna azina biki we've just adopted kaire kanu nayo kumanya Julius abanyoro nibo batandika ku supporting music yabo bayiro kimanyi because personally naturally twetwina mu kwetinira nogamba oguno bunda musagika tajja kimaking itu abanyoro titukusa kuzina nkabaganda
no butende ebyaitu nabandi bagaya ebyabanyoro
okay tegereze ebyabanyoro that's why norora we've been left behind nikyo kurangu no butu kutandika ekintu support ekubanta ito titukumanyi kwa kuli because itu abali ground to suppose kuba proud of ourselves abaganda bayija hano tutandika babalizo Uganda
kandi bayiziro
mwe bitati nyo bumba streets za Kampala mbanyine kingenda gura mbazo Uganda because obunda bazo nyo tajja kunyetegereza
kandi atoije no hano nabwera
ndi murandi zabo ndi muitaka lyabo hatinye nakubaza Uganda nikwasobole kunguza ekinkwenda baitu bo bayija hano kimbibiri balaganze ndi Muganda kujjakura kandi uwo muka wenyine onatandika kuba
oiro amazima gali nti amazima rene ebindi betwida kwikiriza okura abantu abaganda aba abasajja abaganda bakakora kiamani kutunda olulimi lwabo that is the fact bakarutunda kuraba mbizina kuraba mbatimative kuraba mafilms that is the fact hatitwe twabyama you understand abaganda bakakora muno batutundi and they showed their language to us
twarwikiriza and again another biggest challenge eri abantu tugira maitima because ati Julius tukuzira hamu hakyaro ati nyowe like nyina some stories abantu okuzira nabo hakyaro because they know you ati bakurura you are somewhere you're trying to push bagamba ogo taina bya kutugamba ogo mwana wa hantu akuzira
ati mutabani wananka
that's the mutabani wananka kasaka jamuka mutabani wananka ati mutabani wananka ati mutano nanka you find ekenkyo kyasingire kutusigaza enyuma but singa to be clearing ati katandika kwekiriza tutandika nogondeza batayibait bunyero tukuba on top
and at the end of the day atokura nyom western me when I make it definitely nanyonja kuba ni nkuze kikaru kiyange kichweka kiyange
that's it
you understand boku katunga yakasento kakatunga oli mutabani wananka kyaro bakumanyire definitely nenje nungoja kwesanga ogiteire hakyaro ali wakulire oja kwesanga oina bo investment erabu okozerenka hakyaro omwana wananka undi nawe natunga mulimo mukantu kokozera hapo hata abantu ekikintu tibakimanyire
abantu tibakimanyire that's why ati when we get back to the question nkagwizege why made in Hoima nyamaze kusanga mu Kampala tulekerwe nyuma tutukwetegeza nyagamba okay like me I'll be proud of myself let me call myself made in Hoima because nyagenzire kuseruliza mu Buganda kichweka ke kiba kusinga kumanya mu Bunyoro it was Hoima
yes
and it's where I grew up from so nyagamba let me proud of my area even bagamaga MC Western made in Hoima nikwabo mu Kampala nabo bamanye ngwali abantu abakuruga Hoima and abantu abaruga Hoima batabaki batahabanyoro so that's why nyeta made in Hoima so many people call me made in Hoima when I'm in Kampala because I'm proud of it hatenu show area made in Hoima nikyo kula tunaho ba performers bahanu muka tunaho performer wa Kampala wena because they have the capacity to bring
aba
Kampala but I think kubaleta my first experience atikani netaba Kampala like atutandike nabo muka we show the world at least nyekimanyire abo mu Kampala bajja kumanya kintu kyappeningire mu Hoima when they get to know about it has happened in Hoima bali line up banyoro it gives us a credit
so niko watandika ekitekezo kinu kya made in Hoima hati otegekere ota this is ibiro byokwezi 2-5 kya katano ati exactly tugambire what bikibi ebijja kubaho
ate ebiro byokwezi bitano akijja kubaho of course to celebrating MC Western. The years has been in the industry and what he has done, to be honest, for the people who abamanyire bamanyire, at least I have done something for my region because nyonyemera high team via ihanga nimbazo runyoro categorize not etalemu study because I've worked for so many televisions. I've worked with BBS Telefina, Nyarugayo, Nyagenda Next Media, so kwegamba bunyi buli hanyakabaga nyamekinga shuwa bunyi hambe at least mbaza ikigambo kakimu babibili
bakenge halo kuruga.
So this show we are celebrating the art of MCing together with MC Western and the industry at large. That's why twinabazini bomuka the likes of Figure Westy, Planet Aroni, Kimzela, Pavin twine na ba DJ bomuka hano twina nabana bakutere ndongo Julius. Abana bakutere ndongo bakuisana ba Kampala.
By the way, njukize we were here I think Saturday for 5 years of Makrebo. Director Daniel sindikira ka message yangamba I'm impressed by the DJs from Hoima. I was very happy by the way. Yes. So I think people abana bali talented. Uyo sakwenda gama tukoleto wa Kampala.
Ebyo nibyo nta
no mwana wana ino wakutera muziki.
Wa Kampala tukuleta wakitu inana bana bakutera. Wa Kampala lekaije habero demand ha on ground. Tugambe ground egambe tukwenda muka flavor. Mutwetera at least ba DJ kuruga Kampala obambalala. Why Kampala always? Obambalala. Baije bateremu bati abana baitu nitutukusa kubayimukiza nitutukubayimukiza wa Kampala walaija Hoima bamugambe Hoima ro habana bakutera orokati DJ roho zikaro kasaro so kwegamba naitwe region yete ja kuba nayimuka kandi abana bakora research just think abana kati DJ na akora research about music every time kwegamba nabo bakwika bali
atunga ina kahiyaka
abaina kahiyaka kwegamba
why do you think inti abantu baitu hanu hati for example ha Milano Dan, I think Dan is one of the people who has recognized local talents. But abamakamba mabara gandi bunyoro abako why do you think they don't really recognize talents zabana bomuka hano?
I think kikutandika ali ankugambire buteekiririzamu no buteekiriza mbana ba hano. But for me I believe cause nyonka ruga bunyoro ntaina wunkumanya Kampala nyasoba kupenetrating anyagenda ha TV actually na gundi kusinga omuihanga media kusinga. I believe we have talent here. Eke kizibu kikuruga buteekiriza mbana baitu baba owners abakusinga tibakukiza mbana baitu omwana ahasolingire ebyoma bya DJ ebyo bitaha bya bay kubigura kyonka bwo kumweta okwenda wo muhereze na kasente katita katagi yakolaki kyonko wa Kampala okumuleta okumweleza sente nyingi
obo muhypingire
okyetegereze omuhypingire tukwenda DJ simanyi kuruga amasimanyi ha Galaxy simanyi Galaxy FM biki kwegamba kandi hano abahanu no banda lookinga just tibako ikiririzamu but baba owners nyo nabaloko nkubagambira abana bahano baina music kyo kubanza baikala internet kitegereze owa Kampala kyakurora nawe nakirora kaire kanu internet ekage buli kimkyo nakwikala ali updated nyabana bahano batero omuziki ningamba man
because literally busekizina ekyoli kyajja kuteera one kyatakozere kyatamanyi because this is a global world.
It's a global world.
Ekizina nanka kuba na kyakitu kya naino okoraki
no kifuna
no kitunga
so kiri haliwe ensengeneka ya music yawe no kwikala okasoma crowd akaba DJs basoma crowd biki then oketegezo kagamba eno crowd ekwetaga music like this hati au art in haizida mu DJing like you read the crowd no manya crowd ene kwetaga muziki guti eno crowd mpikire muri bano abakigorobya nyina kubatera omuziki guti abahoima omuziki gwo kutera kigorobya tiguli nibwo kutera hano kitegereza so kusoma that's talent. Now you're reading the crowd then ukakola ki ukaba deliverance ukabahereze kikusing
hati oina line up on Friday yaba Kimzela Planet Aron Figure West nabandi bala Pavini General Malta hati let's discuss music basically eyabunyoro abana bano and abandi have tried to make it but what one rap industry yetu hano ya music and you compare it in the industries ezindi much as tusakuba twine zitukusinga but let's compare nabakutusinga Buganda ankole. Why do you think abaana baitu have not yet made it to that platform enkoto?
I think the biggest challenge it's not investing much in music. But in your music is expensive, Julius. Hanu tukiali ku investing much. I think it's investment. Niye kutalibaniza. Yeah. Biono gya kubikola, but if you don't invest in music, kigia kulema kita. You have to invest, make collabos. Hane bunyoro kikia tulemere. Kulikola collabos. Abana tibakola collabos and collabos. Nyonka nyeke ile music, I know that's investment. You need to invest. Ako muzino gya mutoza abazini ba amani okubatoza bajja kwetaaga yo amafuta biki oyesange kandi expenses ziri nyingi. Take an example. Ngia kuhereza the region eyerugireyo after the central region. That's Ankole region.
Niyo sazi ntukura actually next to central. Omuzina yasoke kuruga yakabaraiji. I think. Augamba generation NMPyaka ruga mubiri ebyeira tukaba nabanti nantine ba sister charity but we're talking about the new generation akaba Rage akaizira kazina ka Musheshe. It was a collab Spice Diana and Rage yamuleta twamwetegereza live around to Western Uganda tusakuba ntufuna music ye but kweke harulengo rwa Uganda yona it was Musheshe bogenda gundi T-Paul akazina akamulesere mu Buganda kaire kanu kalika collab between Lydia Jasmine Ketegereza obo kugenda hali Omega 256 akatera this year kyonkera it was yatera abantu tibamwetegeza bagenzi kumwetegeza see you tonight nuba bamukengeire
sindi hali mu Buganda tinke itwa bakwikala mu Buganda ati nyonkubaza kwanyonyikala Buganda manyire kiri ground hakubayo akurorosa kwano jajinga because yo kwikala ground ya hanu bunyoro noga Omega kakabaho but kuli atabe yo Buganda
ataina mani
batamu feeling crowd no bogamba Omega lao omuntu atasa kuimuka genda amura but because of see you tonight collab between Cindy and Omega a penetrating gire hano bunyoro kikyatule
hati no tuina collabs abazine bakozira hano bunyoro n'abakuli baitu zafa bufa. I'll give you an example. I think Planetary in ekizina na lili puzzle Kwegesa in ekizina na Fefe Busi. Why do you think ibijani bitomere kisi?
Yeah. Then here comes investment. Niyo kugambire investment. You need to make a project with a plan. And every project ejana budget yayo. Bunyoro hanu tutuke ebizina otayina budget y'ekizina. Okura abona budget chi ba promoters abamani bagundi ba management ezamani F7 ejja kuturuka ainaki budget. But the only challenge ogagenda Fefe Busi omugambe wewe ndi munyoro yes akwetegereza nkaiwe nka Figo West agambe jangu nkwe collabo but Fefe Busi is a big brand. You have to invest into that project okura yakora
kani no sanga niwo kugenda actually in other words niwo kwenda project there. I was actually told nanka ekizina kino nakyo Musheshe Spice akakigurukira arozera kijire na amani
kimai kufuna amani
no yaga yi
ogetegereza so hati omuzini gwako bakuhaire collab bana bazini ba Kampala invest into the collab invest abandi nyonya ati nyingira munywani wange tingia mubazi omuzini akamuha collab because amuhaire collab we hakuba kwerura mu bunyoro ali wamani yagamba ati ono akunyegura region yange aije to pushing na think pushing what the hell mazima omusajja nka akoire katugeze nka palasa akoire collab push it to the climax
niwo kugietaga
so the like say the people you've mentioned I think the challenge obutukurura the way how akazina kobalize akazina aka Musaramara Planetary na gundi na Lily Puzzle katabe na kata kapushing even tikaina video akazina ko ebizina
ebiri singo ebikusinga nekyo
ebizina tibina videos ebyo nabyo balizeo. I didn't see any video ya Figo West na Fefe Busi. I didn't see any video ya Planetary. Then that's a mess.
Orundi na budget ya kasente our boys still have obusente bukyali butito mu music,
so that's how maybe we call in foreign investors
abakusa kuteka mu akasente
because we have talent.
That is the fact. Habukuba I can assure you MC Western a project tugezebo spice bwakwa project ekitito muno inagibalira miso milioni 15 plus abaana baitu they are not yet to that level tuikirize aba promoter bakubapangisa bakyabapangisa kubaha maizi milioni emu kichwe around that ate sebo kujja gamba nti kakoro performance atunge milioni 20 investing in project and you know music is an risk osano ziteka make zina nikirema
ekizina nikirema kulibata ekikirinke ekivuru
you understand so by investors oko western batekemu akasente ambana baitu bano trying to end up hitting to that bigger stage.
By investors, we have so many investors around Bunyoro. Yes, we all might be able to believing. So me nyo western, let me use this platform to call upon all the investors. By investors abali mu Bunyoro mutuyambe mu investing in music waitu because twina abana bakuzina hano abana bakuzina kurungi ati nyowe at times into arubuzina NBS oko obwa bajene oyo mwana ngayimba bulungi bakimuzera oyo mwana ngayimba bulungi ba Planet Aroni Figo West recently was nkaba nikola challenge mukazina ka Figo West boss wanga na ngam naye gotabukidda olulimi lwammwe kiki akayimbo mwana omunyoro kwegamba they were receiving the message kyonka singa ba investors to investinga mu bana baitu hano tukusaki making bana ba rage ekiba kimekingire bakafuna ba investors ati rage agira out some management emuteka mu sente kandi eriyo mwabu so hano tuina ba investors baingi abali mu politics no sanga omuntu nasisa sente mu politics etagya n'okuli
wakuba na tekanko kumbe kuteka itafali
ananka region talent za abana obo supporting ayo muzino moka muimukya worldwide the region will never forget you. I'll give you an example like Jonad has supported Kitara FC
football akapira
mukapira atele mu sente mukapira aba kusinga twamwetegerezaaho. We didn't know him because of politics, but we knew him because he was supporting so many events.
But by the way, do you know? Harugire ganka invest home. Tugeze akateka tugeze ba mu Planet Aroni.
Okay, tegereze.
Akakwata milioni zenka 50. Hagambe ya 5 gano kankore kale project nkaisatu. Do you know kinhaliki kumuteka?
Muno.
Kandi haiguru.
Okakwata nkakimuzero. Okagamba ka project nyamuteka milioni ago I have to invest because twina maba ina momo moyo gwagwanga no gamba wewe my region because Jonadi for me I've been in Kampala, I've seen him like he has really tried to uplift the region.
No wajja next media akasenta
akalekaho so
and actually I was told nankoko rage sebo bari na kihasolinga abagaiga barugaiga na muhente na muhabiki you understand
atireka ngambiri nyine naba MCs abanda bambala roko they are very well by innocent nkasoma nabo Kampala kinkawa mabagaru kambala baitu because by innocent ne bakugamba to supporting abantu baitu like nalugwe mugaiga na mugamba ati omanyi ati wengi akuteka musente tere milioni nka 5 by 10 banzo yetereze enkwendo ye branding kurungi someone gives you money baitu hano mu Bunyoro
kandi connections people have tried to get connections zero because hati now I'll tell you like hati bokuba no gambanti you have connection in next media in western aliyoba just sina abandi oinaka startup.
Let me tell you Julius sikira Uganda ya hati nko kwe kulibata even if you have connections that ina send wallahi it will be hard for you me I'm telling you mutazimbira mutima abantu because oba mu system oko Kampala oko buli kimu kione nguze kafoka
kasente
even when you want to put someone there or omuntu omwanyu pajja kugamba nawe mbero jimanyi oyino kola boti ne boti because in department CEO okitegedde okyetegereze sorry
ojja kuba oliyo bayita ina arha akora nanka producer wa show
okyetegereze like producer agambe western wamwe gwe kaguje atega abo bazze no kwanga mumpako ku kidoma kya mafuta kitegereze wamwe wali amafuta oyesange niketaga musamu invest connections need money. You think Planet Aroni is making in Kampala but trust me, is investing. Is investing into the music. That's why niko kula okujja mu booking akakusaba sente nyingi. Toina kuzimba mutima. Connections bibino Uganda kasisikala.
So abakutuhondera ha Kitara TV tukyaina MC Western. Aina made in Hoima experience first season. Tugambire line up already yo ne kandi ba DJ ba MCs
ba line up ba DJs nyina DJ Ziko Alan DJ the whole DJ ogwa bulisa nyina Cats DJ wakati Lounge nyina DJ Kaso nyina DJ Chris kagamba nyina ba DJ baingi bona bana babunyoro habanku baziti nyina DJ wa Kampala wen kintu kyetu abanyoro. I love Bunyoro. Me have been in Kampala. Nyaloza Kampala. Tena kietu singa just tukulema.
Hatina ba masindi nanye mukole kyanya. Ba masindi msakuzimba mutima ni murive wa Hoima bakozere kyab nanye mukole made in masindi kagadi made in kagadi.
Edition.
So Western tickets go to for how much kandi bakuzisanga nkaha?
Okay, tickets goes for 10k ordinary 300 a table yemitwala asatu okuba no yenda kufuna ka table sagamba why let me support omwana wo muka MC Western ka table kali ke mitwala asatu and we have the platinum table ze mitwala atano ticket ordinary just siguli mutwalo gumugonga you can support muje mu supporting abana bo muka ojo kamba supporting ile Bunyoro ndi Kampala oni sindika
so bakusa kuziha hana ha Cafe
Milano ya manager Emma no muhikira asa kuba nakufunira ticket and of course na Racy Lux manager wakimzela na waina some tickets na precious shoots akatale na we aina some tickets bokwa nozenda you can even contact me
abantu bahereze number yawe yesimu ba ora sagamba nyondi haraira but I can even support with one ticket niwo kumanyura gigabiroha
you can support for with one ticket or two tickets 5 tickets just supporting nogamba wow at least Western we obokwanika Western manya ohanikire region yona because for me obungenda kulitinchulera ngamba tuliya abanyuro tuliyo so you can contact me on 0781 966431 078 kienda na mkaga naina asatu name
yes abakutuhondera ha Kitara TV tukwenda kumaliza entekanzen Western ebigambo bya bikusemba yo oina bakutere mwense sente mu show
abantere makasimbi omushow yange nukura yaba and success nejja kuba actually I know it's going to be successful yaba successfully organized twina ba Superior Gadgets banu badilinga mu gunda accessories phone accessories thank you so much Don Mugisa Superior Gadgets CEO Sting and na Gracious Juice abantu bakora juice hano mu Hoima no mu Kampala ubantere maka sente kura show yange yaba successful and on the lineup of the MCs mentagibagambire ba MCs nyinaho MC Sparks Official nyinaho MC Mark Rebel nyinaho MC Tyro nyinaho MC Abanavik nyinaho na MC Dropper Kuruga for Potrogo mwana mtoro he's a very nice guy so we've decided at least let's be united with Bunyoro Batoro so akangamba I need to come through so kijja kuba massive support me mumpagira Banyoro mwana wanyu MC Western omwana wo muka made in Hoima ebiro bitano December okay mwebale munaba ikaire mutuhondera and kwenda kubaijukiza of course this Friday akafemera nebiro kwezi bitano twina MC Western aja kuba live in made in Hoima experience season 1 bandirize kimu and I think next year tuja kuba nikiyongera kuba it's going to be big very big
and these are such platforms abana baite twina kubantu bahereza ho ntura mulingo music industry yaitu ekura so kwenda kubasima muno kubajukiza to subscribe ha channel yaitu and of course mutu following ha mikutu yaitu yona ha Kitara TV mbaire Julius Chomuhendo let's meet mu programs ezindi mobile.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.